The good fighters of old first put themselves beyond the possibility of defeat, and then waited for an opportunity of defeating the enemy. Sun Tzu, gather arsenal. Rice, pork, century egg, ginger, scallions, soy, pepper, sesame oil, shallots. Western broth is watery. Rinse jasmine rice until water runs clear. Slice pork thin. Dice century egg. Snap ginger slices. The ladle becomes a spear. Add rice to pot. Pour 8 cups water or stock. Drop ginger. Ignite. Rolling boil. Reduce heat. Stir relentless. Coax silk texture as steam cloaks the rim. The ladle becomes a spear. No mercy. Submerge pork. Quarter century egg. Splash soy. Dust white pepper. Simmer until flavors unite. If the pork rebels, I will execute it. Ladle congee. Crown with scallions. Drizzle sesame oil. Scatter fried shallots. Place remaining egg center. Salute. Taste. Victory.